Welcome back to Farzana's art class. My today's lesson is Doraemon. If you want to draw and color like me, please do not skip any part of this video. For circle, you can take any circular object. Here I have taken a cup. Now I'll draw a square shape, and I started to draw from a small part of this circle. And now I'll erase inside of this circle and square because now I'll draw Doraemon's neck belt, and this belt will be a small curve. Now I'll draw another line side by side of this circle. And now I'll get middle part of this circle, and I'll draw here Doraemon's eyes. Here you can see. And now draw a circle for its nose. Now draw a small line for Doraemon's mouth. Have to draw a point middle of the circle to get a proper shape of Doraemon's mouth. Now draw a tongue and start from middle of this mouth part. After that, for a hand, draw two small curved lines and one circle. And now carve these two sides of this square. Now draw a small U for its leg part. Now draw a pocket for Doraemon's gadget. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.